Trying to build an app without writing code? Let's compare Softr, Flutterflow, Bubble, and Draftbit to see which no-code tool actually delivers and which one just looks good on paper. Softr is the easiest. Great for turning Airtable or Google Sheets into web apps or internal tools fast. But it's limited when it comes to logic, design freedom, or mobile responsiveness. Flutterflow is perfect for building real mobile apps with native performance. It uses Flutter under the hood, so it's great for developers and teams building apps for iOS and Android. Bubble is powerful for full web apps with logic, workflows, and database handling, no code, but steep learning curve. It's ideal for startups and MVPs, but not made for native mobile apps. Draftbit is focused on mobile too and gives you real React native code. It's more flexible than Flutterflow but better suited to those with some dev experience. Softr is for speed, Flutterflow for mobile power, Bubble for logic-heavy apps, and Draftbit for mobile dev control. Choose Softr for quick, no-fuss web apps, use Flutterflow for polished mobile apps with drag-and-drop ease, pick Bubble if you need complex workflows and web logic, and go with Draftbit if you want code access and mobile precision. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.